Today we play Don't Push the Button, and right now we got eliminated because I was tiny.
Tiny. All right, let's get it.
Who was doing the ice thingy? How does that so close you?
Yeah, but I'm not falling.
It's that guy.
Oh wait, when did I fall? How did I? Oh no, I think I joined late. That's why, right? Because I never actually fell. I don't think.
I was tiny. You can't get on my big old head.
What a shame. I love getting on your big old head. All right, here we go. Let me press it.
I'm gonna go. I want to check that.
I've never pressed it before. I don't know how to do it.
I'm trying to press it. Stop jumping on it.
Oh no, what is this one?
Oh no! I played this one before.
I know.
I played this one before.
If it turns red, you about to go down, boy.
Yeah, because I'm not going down. People. Oh, this.
Psych.
Oh wait, what?
This isn't good. What if all of these turn red?
Ah!
Uh-oh. Which one is it gonna be?
Which
one is it gonna be?
Scared.
Easy, right?
Yeah, that was easy. But yo, that weather.
Oh, what is that? Oh, some lightning. Oh,
Just shoot somebody.
this is why you don't play outside when it's storming, kids. You gotta watch out for that lightning.
Yeah. Trust me, you don't get like we did. Please, mommy. I don't have no stuff like you think. That guy just
Ooh.
Yo, stop jumping! You gonna jump with a...
Look, I got my arm blown off.
Yeah.
What happened to my other arm? Ugh. I made it, mama. With one arm.
Oh.
Get ready, fight. Oh, I still got one arm. I just took that guy out with one arm, man.
Oh. No, I'm gone.
It's like a laser tag. Don't you try to miss me, buddy.
That's what happens. You still have one arm.
I'm the one-arm laser tag master. Watch this. Where's he at?
I'm out.
I'm trying to find this guy. Look how little this guy is. I can't hit him. He's way too little. He cheating.
No, we pressed the button and he got... Oh, somebody froze.
Oop, I got that guy. You see that? Oh, I thought I got him.
Dude, that's your last guy.
What? Did he get me? Or what happened? You have 8 seconds to find a building with light. Right?
Hoi.
Right here. 2, 1. I'm in.
Okay, I see.
Lights out. Stay near places with light. Oh.
Where's your other arm?
The slide. Somebody give me my arm back.
No. You're going to post office in. You're in the dark.
Oh, you thought I was in the dark, bro.
What? Hurry.
I'm in here.
Oh, come on to the ball. I heard a lot of ooping. It's like Blue Boy Elite.
Why am I not up there as a winner?
I think you got out.
How did I get out? I didn't get eliminated though, right? I'm confused.
Yeah, you confused.
I'm following you.
Hurry.
Right here.
So close.
Say what? I was standing like literally on a light beam.
I think you're supposed to not stand on the light beam.
Oh wow.
Ow!
Yeah, I guess I did get eliminated. And I eliminated again.
Your arm is back.
My arm. At least I got 2 arms now. Don't get caught. Don't get caught by what? Oh, that police officer guy. You can't catch me.
He got. Hey.
Wait, hey, what are you
He's
doing?
going after me.
Oh, he's going fast. She's chasing after you fast.
He got me.
Don't come for me, please. I'm gonna hide over here behind this
No,
fence.
he can close people. I'm stuck.
I'm behind this fence. Nobody can see me.
No, yes he can.
Nobody can see me.
Oh!
Nobody can see me. Yes.
No, that guy took him out. But look at my new clothes. Look at my new clothes.
Your new
Daddy.
clothes?
I have my normal clothes again.
Enter the mysterious cave. I can't remember what happens on this part.
I remember. Ah!
Wait, where are you? I don't see you. Oh, I remember now. I remember now.
Ah! Wait for me, listen.
Sorry, save yourself.
Save yourself. I'm still alive.
Made it. I made it.
Made it, baby.
Huckerson. Blue Boy Lee. Huckerson. Blue Boy Lee. Huckerson. Blue Boy Lee.
Huckerson. Somebody's going back in there. I really want you to see what it feels like to get catched by a police officer in this game.
Why?
See, look, you have to only float. Yeah. Who's floating?
He was too slow to catch me, man. Reach the other side. Let's go. Don't step on that stuff.
I think that. Guys, take your time.
Oh my gosh. I didn't even step on it.
Take your time, Daddy.
I'm not even. Oh, brother. Okay.
I'm good. I didn't even.
You're good. So you're trying to say I'm not good?
See?
Oh,
I made it
brother.
out of sock.
Wow. Is that how you gonna treat me?
I said, take your time, chicken.
I'm trying, but I keep letting. This guy's in my way with his wings. Oh my gosh, I did horrible. I did horrible on that. Jump over the coming. Oh, can you jump that high? Oh.
Oh, you got me.
Oh, now look who's not good. Look who's good now, baby.
Bring me back to heaven.
I'm the laser master. Jump on the logs to reach the end.
Okay, I'm in.
I've never done this one before.
I did it.
Is it easy? That guy landed in the water like splat.
I think.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Daddy got the moves, son.
Daddy had the moves. I'm still in.
Ah!
Daddy fell in a lake with no talent. Like,
With no talent? Jeez Louise. Alright, here we go.
oh, I see you.
Patience.
You say
Patience, young grasshopper. Patience, young grasshopper.
I think he put me on.
There it is. There it is. What? You gotta get your name up there first before we can do it. You gotta make it. You gotta make it. Oh, you fell right there. You were right there. Oh no. Say it ain't so. I see you. I see you. Oh, that. Uh-oh. Here we go. Blue Boy Lee. Huckerson. Blue Boy Lee. Huckerson. Blue Boy Lee. Huckerson. Alright. Special shop. Watch that. Oh my. Of all the things, I jump up in the air and I get hit in the head by a big laser beam.
I forgot this one.
Ah, don't
I
fall off
forgot
the
this-
building.
Wait. Like this.
What's happening? Oh, it's okay. It's windy.
Ah,
It's windy.
you have to walk. You have to walk.
I'm doing a moonwalk. Oh, whoa, almost flew.
I almost fell too.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Please hold my hand.
Ow. Wait, your husband. Ah. Ah.
Hold my hand, son.
I can't really hold that thing.
Don't let your old man fall. Oh, whoa. Oh, no. Oh, my. I lost my concentration I looked away for 1 second and then I was flying off the building.
No, it
Man.
said 3 players.
Oh, man. Whoa, what?
Dodge the laser!
I wasn't even ready. It started and I wasn't even ready.
I'm still alive!
Alright, I'm just gonna watch you then.
Hooah!
Oh, well, I wasn't watching very long. Choose a side, choose a side. Yellow. I'm going yellow.
House? Yellow house.
Yellow house. Okay. Oh, you're right. You just guessed, huh? You pick this time. You pick this time. What color?
Green.
Okay.
Because a lot of people are green.
Doesn't mean it's not gonna be. That don't mean it's gonna be green. It's just a lot of people over here. Oh wow.
It was green.
Okay, you want me to pick this time?
What? Which
Purple,
one?
purple.
That's pink.
Pink.
I don't trust pink.
Don't everybody come over here. Ah!
I know
You're right.
I trust pink.
You're right. I have to trust pink. Reach the end. Only one bridge is safe.
This was safe. Somebody choose the.
Oh. Oh, what? How was that guy walking on it? Or was he not? Huh? That confused me. I thought it was safe because I thought the guy in front of us had jumped on it. Are you still in there? Oh, did you just fall?
Yeah. Oh, it's glass. It's glass.
Oh. That tricked me.
I want to do this on me section. Finish.
Get to the finish line.
Oh, I know this. I play this one. See
Oh,
ya.
is this like an obby?
Woohoo!
Hey, get back here. Don't leave me. Get back here. I wasn't ready.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Oh, it's going kind of fast.
This is your fell.
Ah! Thought you was leaving me?
fell.
Thought you was leaving me, huh? You thought you was leaving me, huh?
Right, I'm gonna go with you.
What? How did I fall?
No,
I'm still a winner, though. I'm still a winner, because I already finished. Complete the obbies to build the snowman. Do you wanna build a snowman?
Let's do this hobby.
What? This is what I'm doing over here.
Yeah. Then we do the second hobby. Fell.
Hey, that guy took my piece of snowball.
That's this.
What do I gotta go all the way back now? Or do I just fall?
I think you're supposed to go back.
Okay, which one?
No, you don't. Oh, you do.
I don't know which one to go to. This one?
Would you like to build a snowman? I don't have any snow.
Oh, I fell off. We made it. Oh wait, he needs. What is he missing?
Nothing. Buttons. He missing buttons.
Oh, we're in outer space.
Help.
That was weird.
No, really, because that was not me. Your face is on the ground. Everybody. What the? Who's doing that? Oh my!
Hey, what's that about, buddy? Stay clear from the red chocolate?
I played this before.
So you just gotta stand on the spot and hope it doesn't.
Oh. Don't let the person who got the sword get you. That person, GEAFFRED 92 have the sword.
It's a long name.
I think.
Gearfred 92, that's his name.
Yeah, but I think he's gonna have a plan to eliminate somebody.
Well, he better not do it again, because.
He didn't eliminate nobody. Because before this one, I saw him trying to get people off the
Hey, who
bus.
knocked me over? Somebody. Oh, it's a banana pills?
And I saw him eliminate you with a sword before we had this round.
Ugh, man, I'm just falling on my
He was
face.
hitting the button.
Turkey, turkey, gobble. Oh, the turkey that pressed the button. Stop the fire. The barrels.
I know what to do. You're supposed to put your feet on it to stop it burning.
The feet? Your feet?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
See how the other people are doing it? Ah!
Oh, you gotta like step on the fire?
Yeah.
Oh, right here, right here, right here. Okay, I see, I see.
So save it.
I'm watching this side. I got this one, I got this one. Oh no. I got it, I got it, I got it.
If you explode...
I get it now, I get it now. Okay, cool. Yeah, that one's easy. Once you know how it actually works. Before, remember the first time we did it, we didn't know what to do. We just got blown to bits.
Yeah.
Grab the most rings.
I know what to do.
Oh, I remember this one. This is hard because like, I can't control myself good. You gotta like go through the ring, center of the ring.
I got 2.
I'm not doing good. Oh, okay, I just got 1.
I got 3.
That's 2, 3.
I got 4.
I missed it. It's hard to actually it's hard to control.
I got 5.
I'm not doing too good. I only got 3. Well, I might get 4.
I got 5.
I got 4.
I got 5.
It's hard to control yourself.
Do this. Pretend you like falling from the sky.
Oh, is that something you pretend that's happening often? Falling from the sky. 13 points. Wow.
Maybe because
He got every single ring, didn't he?
Yes. Lovely.
That's hard to do. Put out the fire.
I'm on blue.
I'm on blue too.
Oh. Yay. We're really
Wait, there's no fires over here though.
Think, Daddy. Think.
What? What
Think.
do you mean think?
Say fire. Fire.
I'm on it, I'm on it.
No, I'm gonna get this fire on this
Wait,
side.
why is it not going out?
Yeah. I put out. Oh, fire! I got the other side.
No one's putting these fires out.
Hey, I got the. Yeah.
Alright, well, there's 2.
I
So
know I was getting the
I'm
middle
going back
one.
this way, I'm going back this
I
way.
thought you was getting.
Dude, this whole building down here is an inferno. Where's my help? Oh!
What giant?
Alright, I think we're gonna end this one right here. So,
Watch
tell them what they
out!
need to Whoa! Tell them what they need to do.
Click the like button. It says subscribe. I think actually.
That sounds good to me.
Actually.
Bye.
Actually,